Hello class 10th. Today I am going to start with this new topic, that is resources, in chapter number 15, population. Okay, in chapter number 15, population, new topic, that is rising population pressure on the natural resources. What is a resource? Resource. What is resource? Resource is any substance. Is any substance, energy or organism which is used by human for their well-being, for their welfare. Is any substance used by humans for their welfare, for their welfare. Okay, that is a resource. What is resource? Any substance. Energy हो सकती है, कोई organism हो सकता है which is used by humans for their welfare. In the context of rising human population, the 6 main resources in your syllabus. First one is food. Second is water. Third one is land. Fourth one is forest. Fifth one is energy. And sixth one is mineral. Okay, 6 resources in your syllabus. What is resource? Is any substance like any organism or any type of energy used by human for their welfare. This is resources. 6 type of resources in your syllabus. Food, water, land, forest, energy and mineral. Now first one is food. Okay, food, the most important need of humans or any living organism is food. It is true that humans have been discovering better and better method to produce more food, but it cannot be the same proportion in the rise in population. If unchecked, the number of people are increasing in geometrical progression. Means geometrical progression means geometrical progression क्या होता है? 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, 12. This is geometrical. No, 4 to 8, then 16. This is geometrical. 2, 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16 and 16 to 32. This is geometrical progression. And the second one is arithmetic. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression क्या होता है? Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. That is arithmetic progression. अगर हमारा पॉपुलेशन जियोमेट्रिकल प्रोग्रेशन से इंक्रीज करता है तो हमारा जो फूड प्रोडक्शन है वो अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन से राइज करता है. Okay, if unchecked, the number of people are increasing in geometrical pattern or geometrical progression or less in a pattern of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32, the number of each step are being multiplied. The number in each step are being multiplied. Compared with this, with the growth in the food production by bringing more land under cultivation and by using better farming method, food production rise in arithmetic progression. पॉपुलेशन जियोमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन से इंक्रीज करती है और फूड प्रोडक्शन अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन से इंक्रीज करेगा. ओके, नाउ दिस इंडिकेट्स दैट फूड वुड बी रनिंग शॉर्ट फॉर द अनचेक्ड राइजिंग प्रोग्रेशन. ओके, अगर हमारा पॉपुलेशन इसी जियोमेट्रिकल प्रोग्रेशन से इंक्रीज करता रहा तो फूड का शॉर्टेज होना ही है, क्योंकि दैट इज इन द ईच स्टेप में ये मल्टीप्लाई होंगे नंबर और हेयर ओनली इंक्रीजेज वन स्टेप अप ओनली. Production of food rises by arithmetic progression, population grows by geometrical progression like this. Now second one is water. As you know it, availability of clean water and germ free water for drinking purpose would be more and more scare with the increase in population. The reason would be mainly the population of pollution of river, ponds, lake, etc. Now third one is land. The man is bringing more and more land under the cultivation and also using up land for the building more residential colonies, factories and industries. Usable lands would thus become less and less available. ठीक है, जो लैंड का यूज़ हम कहाँ कहाँ कर रहे हैं, एग्रीकल्चर में यूज़ कर रहे हैं, बिल्डिंग बना रहे हैं, कॉलोनी बना रहे हैं, तो लैंड को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो स्पेस क्या हो रहा है, कम हो रहा है, ओपन स्पेस. नाउ फोर्थ वन इज फॉरेस्ट. फॉरेस्ट इज इन वे the most important natural resource, provide us timber, firewood, resin, medicine and wood pulp. Wood pulp we are using in the case of making paper. फॉरेस्ट आर द मेन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द लाइफ. क्या देते हैं, नेचुरल एयर देता है, प्यूरिफाई करता है और ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड करता है एंड फूड. प्लांट क्या प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ऑक्सीजन एंड फूड बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ photosynthesis. They bring rain, adding moisture or transpiration at the same time, prevent flood by holding the soil particle firmly. Now what is forest are natural homes for the immense variety of the large and wild animal also. Deforestation means the term deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of forest or cutting down of forest has been one of the most serious outcome of rising population. ठीक है, क्यों? Deforestation had led to the different numerous problems such as drought, soil erosion, extinction of several wild animals, flashes, flood and global warming also. And forests are one of our renewable source. What is renewable? Renewable sources क्या होते हैं, जिनको हम दोबारा से लगा सकते हैं, that is renewable. Are the one of renewable source by careful management or by afforestation. Deforestation and afforestation and deforestation. Deforestation मतलब cutting forest and deforestation planting trees. Up opposite to each other. Deforestation cutting down the forest and afforestation planting tree. Okay. Now shrinking of forest cover over the world has to be stopped without delay to maintain the habitability of our planet Earth. Okay. Now next one is energy. Two type of energy. So energy means kya? Fossil fuels. Okay. We need energy for cooking in homes, for running factories, for transportation. Two major sources of the energy at present are the coal and petroleum. Two energy sources kya hai main in India? Coal and petroleum. Okay. Coal and petroleum. These are termed as fossil fuel. Coal and petroleum are fossil fuels and their reserves underground are fast depleting. It is estimated that the current rate of consumption which are still rising. Okay, two type of energy sources, non-conventional and conventional. Non-conventional क्या होते हैं? Increasing population would need more and more energy. New sources such as a solar energy, जो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होगा. Solar energy, nuclear energy, tidal energy, wind energy we are using in the place of this coal and petroleum. ये क्या है? कन्वेंशनल है, नॉन कन्वेंशनल नहीं है, ये खत्म हो जाएंगे टाइम के बाद. ठीक है, लेकिन ये सोलर है, विंड है, टाइडल है, ये हमारा नॉन कन्वेंशनल सोर्सेज हैं. एक लिमिट के बाद ये खत्म नहीं होते हैं. ओके, आर सोलर कुकर एंड सोलर बैटरीज और हर सोलर एनर्जी एंड बायोगैस प्रोड्यूस from organic waste. Okay, from organic waste like cow dung, biogas. Now next one is mineral resources. Last one, more population means more requirement, more industries, more means of transportation and all of the utilities utilize minerals such as iron and copper. Okay, minerals are the non-renewable sources. Minerals are non-renewable. Okay, non-renewable sources because once they finish they can never be replaced. Minerals are non-renewable because once they finished they can never be replaced. Okay, now population growth and urbanization causing severe pressure on resources. What type of pressure? Changing face of the earth. Now to warmer and rising level living standard of growing population. Okay, now rate of population growth must be reduced. Now what is sustainable? Sustainable means which can be continued with no ill effect on the availability of the required items. Sustainable means which can be continued with no ill effect on the availability of the required items. Sustainable development can be achieved by reduction of excessive use, cycling and reuse, more use of renewable sources. Few statistical terms. This is very important. First one is demography. Demos means people and graphies means measurement. Second is population density. Third one is birth rate or natality. Fourth one, death rate or mortality. Okay. Now next one is a growth rate. Okay. Now first one. What is demo? Demo means people plus graphy means demo means first one demo people, second one graphy means measurement. Measurement means जो people का हम measurement करेंगे that is demography, means statistical study of human population. This is especially with reference to the size, density, distribution and other vital statistics. Okay, statistical study of human population. Study of human population that is called demography. Now next one is population density. Is the number of individual per square kilometer. At any given time. Per square kilometer. Okay, per square kilometer at any given time. In given time, this is population density. The population density is the number of individual per square kilometer in a given time. Now next one is birth rate or natality. Suppose in this case population density, towns and larger cities have a greater population density than the rural areas. Okay. Now birth rate or natality is the number of live birth per 1,000 people. Okay. Number of live birth per 1,000 people per year. Okay. What is birth rate or natality? Number of live births, okay, per 1,000 people per year. Death rate or mortality is the number of deaths. यहाँ पे live birth था, यहाँ पे number of deaths per 1,000 people per year. This is death rate. Now what is the growth rate of population? Is the difference between the birth rate and death rate. It is the difference between birth rate and death rate death rate और birth rate का जो difference होगा that is the growth rate of a population. Now what is your homework? Do these terms in your notebook. Okay. Now here needs for adopting control measure. As you know, as the people density increases in our country beyond it means it bring many problems like per capita incomes comes down, natural resources, land, mineral, wood, fuel decreases, general health goes down. Overall, the large population of the country is a result of having large families and the quality of life goes down. There is pressing need for adopting population measure control measure. Here is a progress check. Give the statistical term for the following. Statistical study of the human population, that is demography. Number of death per 1,000 people per year, that is mortality or death rate. Number of individual per square kilometer at any given time that is population density. Difference between the birth rate and death rate, that is the growth rate of a population. And list any 3 consequences of high population density. हाई पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी के 3 कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस क्या हैं? नाउ क्या हो सकते हैं हाई पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी के? हाँ, दैट इज गुड रिसोर्सेस, ओके, लेस बर्डन एंड ऑन दैट रिसोर्स, गुड रिसोर्सेस, better medical facilities and vaccination, antibiotics, okay,